the hell is this? Advisory tone. What?
This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Muskingum and Perry. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Now here is a hazardous weather outlook for East Central Indiana, Southeast Indiana, Central Ohio, and West Central Ohio for today and tonight. Please listen to NOAA Weather Radio or go to weather.gov on the internet for more information about the following hazards. Wind advisory. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. There is a low probability for widespread hazardous weather. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Here is a hazardous weather outlook